In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run 32-bit application on 64-bit Windows 11 operating system. The first thing is you need to go on this search box. There you need to write turn Windows features. So you should write this one. After that, click there. Now the next is, after that you need to check this Internet Information Service, this one. Thereafter click on this plus, and after doing this one, let's go on here World Wide Web Service. Click on this plus, and after doing this one, you need to go application development features, application development features, and thereafter you need to search here CGI. So CGI, okay, you need to check this CGI, and after that, after selecting this CGI option, you need to click on this OK. Click on OK, then here you can get searching for required files. Applying changes, window feature applying changes. So you need to wait for few second times to complete these changes. Window feature, Windows completed the requested changes. After that, click on this close. Now again go to this search box. There, this time you need to search IIS. So here, this is now Internet Information Service Manager. You need to click this. After that, you need to, this is desktop selected, and here you can get CGI, compress, this, all those things. After that, you need to select here application pools. You need to select this, and after that, inside the application pool, here you can see default app pool. You need to select, and after doing this one, right click, and there you can get here advanced setting. So click on this advanced setting, and you can now see enable 32-bit application. So by default it's false. You need to make that true. So make that true. After that, click on this OK. So 32-bit application that enables true, and after doing this one, you need to close that, and after that you can easily run 32-bit application inside the Windows 64-bit application. The way we can run 32-bit application on 64-bit Windows 11 operating systems. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.